Good morning, families and friends. You see, our subject for this morning is remember before you choose. Have you ever noticed how easy it is to forget what God has already done, especially when life gets comfortable? In Joshua 24, 2-13, God does something powerful. He doesn't start with commands. He doesn't begin with warnings. He begins with remembrance. God says, I took Abraham, I gave Isaac, I sent Moses, I brought you out, I delivered you, I gave you a land you did not work for. In other words, Israel, before you decide what you do, you will do for me. Remember what I have already done for you. This is the heart of the message. God reminds them that their story did not start with obedience. It started with grace. They didn't earn freedom. They didn't fight their way to blessing. They didn't build their future alone. God says plainly, you live in a house you didn't build. You eat from a vineyard you didn't plant. So why does God rehearse their history? The reason why is because forgetful people drift, but remembering people choose wisely. That's why just a few verses later, Joshua will say, choose you this day whom you will serve. But notice the order. Grace first, choice second. And the same is true for us today. Before God asks for your surrender, He reminds you, I forgive you. I carried you. I opened doors. I protected you. I brought you this far. So today the question isn't, what can I do for God? The real question is, how will I respond to all that God has already done? Remember, then choose and choose Him. God bless.